Dr. David Wells, Assistant Professor of Bassoon at the Hayes School of Music at Appalachian State. I've got some tips for you for the middle school audition piece for this year's all-state band. First thing, look at all of the different dynamic levels that you have to keep track of, and make sure that you start at a good mezzo piano so you have room to get all the other levels in there. You also have a lot of articulations to keep track of. You've got staccatos, accents, tenutos, slurs, and just regular notes. So we want to hear a clear difference for each one of those. In this piece, you have a number of different words actually printed in your music, all in Italian, and you want to be sure you know what those mean, so you know what they mean for your expression in those places. So first we have allegretto, which means moderately fast. You also have the metronome marking there to help out with that. But then after that, you have cantabile, which means in a singing style. So in that section, maybe think a little bit more lyrically, a little bit more connected. Then down a little bit, you have grazioso, which means graceful. So maybe a little lighter, a little gentler there. And then finally, you have dolce, which means sweet. So that can also color how you approach that line of music and how you express that phrase. There are lots of accidentals to keep track of in here as well. Look especially down at the bottom line of the first page, where you have, the first measure, you have F sharp and G sharp. Then the next measure, you have D sharp, but F natural and G natural. Then the measure after that, you have C sharp, but D natural and F natural. So you want to make sure you've got all those. My advice would be write them in. If you're at all unsure, write in that accidental, sharp, natural, whatever you need. That'll make sure that you play it correctly when it comes time to make your recording. In this, our left thumb has something to do on nearly every note. So make sure you've got the whisper key down for every note from G, from the fourth space of the staff on down. And just above that, make sure you get the right thumb key for your A's, your B's, your C's, all of those notes right above the staff that are prone to cracking. And then along with that, make sure that you get your half hole open in your left index finger for our F sharp, our G, and our G sharp right near the top of the staff.